Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many prompt-toolkit users face. Picture this. You're working on your prompt-toolkit application, setting up key bindings to execute functions immediately without the need to press enter. Everything seems to be going smoothly with your bottom_toolbar setup until you realize that calling another prompt from within a function bound to a key throws an exception. This tricky situation arises because you're interrupting the existing event loop by initiating a second prompt. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help you navigate through this problem. The key lies in using the in_thread option in the prompt function. By setting in_thread equals true, you can run the prompt in a background thread, effectively blocking the current thread. This clever trick prevents any interference with the event loop in the current thread, allowing you to call another prompt without causing conflicts. Building on the previous insight, let's explore how you can implement this solution in your code. By simply adding prompt in_thread equals true to your function, you create a background thread for the prompt to run in. This approach enables you to handle user input seamlessly within the function bound to a key, ensuring a smooth user experience without disrupting the event loop. In conclusion, by leveraging the in_thread option in the prompt_toolkit library, you can elegantly resolve the challenge of calling prompts within prompts. This solution streamlines the user interaction process in your application, providing a seamless flow while avoiding conflicts with the event loop. I hope this tip helps you enhance the functionality of your prompt_toolkit app. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any additional coding queries. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!